Hey, welcome to CP Mist. Let's start doing the main route from spawn to mid. Here's an approximate map of the map, and we'll be going kind of like here, and then we go here, and then we take here. That's the easiest route to mid, although it is the longest. So, come out, go across last point there, then we take a left, come into lobby, come over to second point, alley-oop, and you jump up here, go through the choke, and you come to mid. Next, we'll take the same route, but instead, we'll turn here, and then we'll come up to mid the other way. Take a left, go into lobby. And then when you come to second point, instead of going across the point, drop down, and go through here. I call this puddle. Go through puddle, and you come up, and you're over by the cave, and you're up onto mid again. Now the vent system has 3 exits. One is down here by puddle. You can go through it, you can pop out to mid. You can also continue, and it comes out to choke. Let's talk about this route. And I can either go there or there. So, here's last point. Above last point, we have this high ground. Obviously, you want the high ground, gives you an advantage in a firefight. But it also leads over here. And this is jungle. It's right next to the main lobby. See, here's lobby. It's kind of like a side route. And it comes up to second over here. This is upper. It connects a lot of the map. So here it is here. It's this area with all the plastic textures around. So this connects directly to last, lobby, second, second again, and over here it connects to mid. Now only jumping classes can get up here. Controlling upper is going to be very important. However, while you're in upper, you won't have access to a medic. It's an advantageous position, but your resources here are limited. That about sums up the map. Let's go over some of the more interesting jumps. There's a surface there you can use. Might not be useful, but it's there. I'll be doing them with the basher here. Here, the jump to upper from second. That could be done with the basher. I don't mess it up. And there we go. Jumping from lobby up to upper. Also a basher jump. Jumping from last to upper without using the light there, if that would ever be something you would need to do. As a jumper class, and jump up through the launch window, take an immediate left, and land on upper. Then, grab the health pack, put it sticky down, and jump straight to mid. Easy peasy. And this concludes the tutorial of CP Mist. You can find map downloads and other information in the video description.